Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing great. Today I'm here with another new video in which I will tell you about if your Play Store is not working, how you can solve it. But firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the video. If your Play Store is not working or you are unable to download the apps from your Play Store, you can solve it by the way as I'm showing in the video. Just follow the steps and watch complete video so you can understand how you can solve your Play Store problem in your device Mi Note 11s. Let's watch the video.